They called it Greek fire, the weapon that saved Constantinople twice and terrified the medieval world. In the year 678 AD, the mighty Arab fleet, 200 warships, sailed up the Bosporus to burn the Byzantine capital. Emperor Constantine IV watched from the walls as black sails covered the sea. The city had no hope. Then the Byzantines rolled out strange bronze tubes on their small ships. A Greek monk named Kallinikos from Heliopolis had just arrived with a secret he had guarded for years. At dawn, the first Arab ship came within range. A single bronze siphon hissed. A jet of liquid flame shot out, not up, not down, but straight, like dragon's breath. It stuck to wood, to sails, to flesh. Water made it burn hotter. Sand did nothing. The sea itself seemed to catch fire. Within hours, the Arab ships were burning skeletons. Screams echoed across the water as men leapt overboard, only to find the fire floated on the waves and followed them. The entire fleet was destroyed in a single day. This was Greek fire, the world's first chemical weapon. The recipe was the most closely guarded secret in history. Only the emperor, the Kallinikos family, and 3 master chemists knew it. It was stored in sealed clay jars marked with the Chi Rho symbol. Anyone who tried to steal it disappeared. What was in it? Crude oil from the Crimea, naphtha, pine resin, quicklime, which reacts violently with water, sulphur, and the key ingredient, saltpeter, potassium nitrate, used centuries before gunpowder reached Europe. Pumped through bronze siphons heated by bellows, it ignited on contact with air and burned at over 1,000 degrees Celsius. It could be launched from ships, poured from walls, or thrown in clay grenades that exploded on impact. For 700 years, Greek fire stopped every invasion. 678 and 717 AD, Arab sieges crushed. 821 AD, Slavic fleet annihilated. 941 AD, Russian Prince Igor's 10,000 boats burned in a single night. 1040 AD, Bulgarian navy destroyed. The Crusaders saw it in 1204 and wrote home in terror, "The Greeks have fire that burns on water. God himself cannot put it out." Then, suddenly, it vanished. In 1453, when Constantinople fell to the Ottomans, the last Kallinikos died defending the walls. The recipe died with him. The Ottomans searched every monastery, every palace. They found the siphons, but no formula. Even torture failed. Today, in a clay jar was found in Istanbul basement. Inside, black, sticky residue. When scientists tested it in 2019, it still burned when touched with water. The fire never died. It's just sleeping. And somewhere in the ruins beneath modern Istanbul, the last true jar of Greek fire waits, sealed for 1,500 years, still ready to burn. The Romans called it Ignis Graecus. The Arabs called it Nar el-Rum, fire of the Romans. We call it the weapon that won an empire and lost its secret forever. Would you open that jar if you found it? Comment yes or no down below. Hashtag Greek fire, hashtag ancient weapon, hashtag Cell 33.